This is my first time making a video like this. I'm kind of scared. Talking about money online, it is a bit of a sensitive subject, especially because people are just in different positions. I'm on a career break. I literally just quit my 9 to 5 last week with no backup plan. And I feel like people are probably wondering, how am I actually affording this? I just thought, let me be transparent. I do make some money online. You might be wondering how much, and that is why I'm sharing what I earn in June. I'm definitely not bragging, and when you see my numbers, you might understand more. I just thought it might help someone who's currently in the same boat or thinking about doing the same thing. I do recognize that I am in a fortunate position. The next video is going to be all about how I actually afforded the career break, but this video is just talking about what I brought in June. It's 3 months into my career break. It is the month I started the standstill challenge, so really tried to build something online, and it is the month before I quit my job. Let's do it. This is my gross income, so before tax, before I paid any business expenses, and before I've actually paid myself, so please keep that in mind. I tried. Now you might be wondering how I got these numbers so easily. I am a chartered accountant. I just love a good spreadsheet. So I've been tracking everything in my finance spreadsheet, which is available in my standstill if you want to manage your own income or expenditure, and it will help you plan a career break of your own. All of the tools I mentioned, from the spreadsheets to the starter pack, are all linked in the description below. Here's my masterpiece. If you are trying to squint, trying to find YouTube revenue, you won't find it because I'm not monetized yet. If you want to help change that, help me with my watch time hours. It's so hard. Anyway, let's carry on. My biggest area of income is digital products. 75% of my income was from this. That shouldn't really be a surprise because I was working so hard in the standstill challenge. It includes the ultimate ACA starter pack, my transaction services pack, CV templates, etc. So that'll all be disclosed in the next section in detail in terms of amounts, but I just wanted to give you a full picture of the different revenue streams that I have first. My next biggest revenue stream at 11% is actually from Optical Express. I had laser eye surgery with Optical Express years ago now, 2020. Vision's perfect, thank God. I made a YouTube video, I have a Facebook group, and essentially when people come to me asking for a referral, I give them £300 off, and in return, a few months after their surgery, I get £100 back. Obviously, I'm only comfortable doing this because I'm pleased with how my surgery went. I'm very fortunate for that. Next up, we've got career calls. I've been giving one-to-one coaching calls. I've done a few this month. Again, check out the next section, 9.5%. Not only at 3.9%, which I'm quite disappointed about actually, is Amazon royalties. I do have an Accounting for Beginners book on Amazon, and normally I also actually get affiliate revenue from that, but it doesn't seem that I've got any this month, so kind of disappointing. You'll see the numbers in the next section. Then finally, the cutest little supporter tip, which was actually from a friend, and she did not need to do that, but that's 0.5%. In June, I did also actually receive a bonus for the previous performance year as a Big Four audit manager. I'm not including that in this video, and that is just because that was a kind of one-off payment, and this whole video is about outside of my 9 to 5 job. It was super nice to get, I'm not gonna lie, and yeah, I just wanted to be kind of honest about that. Unfortunately, I'm not sharing any NSI premium bond winnings because I didn't win. Then I'm also not sharing anything in terms of stocks and shares ISAs, crypto, my LISA investment, and that is just because I haven't cashed anything out, so I wouldn't really count it as kind of income for June. It's just all unrealized gains, like it's not actual income. If you are interested in how you can make money online and the different revenue streams, that is not the only way I make income. That was just June. So there are brand collaborations, but no income came in from that in June. It is kind of very random and sporadic. To help you paint a picture though, one of my collabs actually earned me over 1K, so it's pretty good. Also then affiliate revenue I kind of touched on already, and then my blog income that didn't actually cash out because I didn't meet the threshold. This video will help if you wanted more of an understanding of that revenue. I also really want to start an Etsy print-on-demand business. I just haven't had time yet, shock. It is kind of just for fun, but who knows, that could actually be pretty good, so we'll see. Now for the numbers, because what is a pie chart with percentages actually going to tell you? I feel some of you might be really impressed, some might be underwhelmed, but this is just my honest earnings of June. Like I said, it fluctuates every single month. Starting with the support via Buy Me a Coffee, so that was £5, but these figures are actually after the fees are taken out, so I got £4.42 for that, so thank you. I feel things like that just go such a long way, and I'm always so grateful. So Amazon royalties, that worked out to be £35.40. With that, I probably sold only about 4 books a few months ago. That's coming now. Honestly, I usually sell more, but I guess I haven't really been pushing it that hard either, to be honest, but it is there if you want to just learn accounting for beginners. Honestly, I'd highly recommend it. Then we've got Optical Express, which I love. So this was £100 from my career course. I had 3 of those, and that was totaling £85.52. And finally, the much awaited digital products gross income for June. This was £674.89. Which, guys, honestly, I'm so proud of. I literally just kind of set up my stand store that month. A big chunk was a new product that I just made. So 16 of my ACA starter packs sold. Sold 5 of my CV templates. Around 7 people got my case study help sheets. And then there were about 5 people as well that got my transaction services pack. If you're looking for the total, it's £900.23. This income, remember, it is gross, but it would still cover a good chunk of my expenses. What was a massive help though was, of course, that bonus. Now you might be thinking, she's actually crazy for quitting her job. Crazy. That's just why I think it's kind of more exciting. Honestly, just taking a real leap of faith here, just trying to build something that I'm just really passionate about and just really enjoying. My main goal, even when I started my blog, it was just always to add value and just to kind of help people. I do offer one-to-one free discovery calls. Honestly, I'm putting so much in now, and it's really nice actually to kind of see something back. Clearly, I think I've probably left a big gap in your head then of how I can afford the career break. So that is all coming up in the next video. It's how I planned, how I saved, things that I had to consider before going on the break. Just how I really made this happen, just without doing it, without thinking about the consequences. Subscribe so you don't miss that. And then I hope you actually like this video. Like I said, I wouldn't typically do this, but I've done it. We'll see what happens. Hopefully I don't end up deleting it. Are there any revenue streams that surprise you? Or do you have any suggestions for other things that I could be doing now that I, have the time? Let me know, I'd love to hear them. So drop them in the comments, please. Give me a like if this did help. And do subscribe because I'm coming now with so many more videos. Bye for now. Are you still here? Thank you so much for watching until the end of the video. The thing that no one told me before the stand store challenge is to share the bill. If you want to make money online, don't try and be perfect. Now you will see me sharing so much more online, and I'm so excited about it. Sharing that I didn't get promoted on LinkedIn got me over 1,000 new followers. That was not my intention at all. I was just trying to be honest, but people respect that. I'm really putting myself out there. I'm trying new things. Truthfully, I have no idea where this is heading, but I just really believe in myself, and I know that I can help. These are a few streams now. Remember, there's some that aren't on there, more to come as well. Perhaps a podcast, we'll see. I hope this video helps in some way, but yeah, good luck to us.